Today, I'm fishing for the prettiest fish on earth, brook trout. These fish are getting ready for the spawn, so their colors are gonna be absolutely radiant. But their environment can also be some of the most serene spots you've ever seen. Of course, this is totally my opinion, so you guys chill in the comments. Also, I'm not gonna be using a traditional rod and reel today. I'm gonna fly fish, or at least attempt to, with all these trees around. My friends Nathan and Ethan are gonna be joining me as we throw some of these tiny flies in hopes of landing one of these gorgeous fish. You guys enjoy. So as the boys and I are rigging up, there is something pretty cool I want to show you. Huge shout out to Ant from Catch Co for giving me some new designs. Yes, so we got new merch out. I'm not telling you guys to buy it at all. I just kind of think it's fun to have some merch, you know? So if you guys feel like buying it, go for it. But in all honesty, it doesn't make me that much money. It's just more of a fun thing to do. We got a pretty cool design that says Fisher Yin, and it has the F and Y with the fish hook. And then it says fish for the adventure. So unfortunately, we're not gonna be wearing them while we're fishing today because, you know, these haven't been washed yet. I'd also prefer to wear like more of a performance kind of stuff. So yeah, just letting you guys know. Link in the description if you guys are interested. Now, something funny to share with you guys. I don't know if Ethan is gonna care or not. See that trail right there? And see that trail right there? Both of those were spots where Ethan and I just happened to kind of release some of the liquid from our body because it was a long car ride, okay? And we were a little thirsty. Heading down the yellow trail. Where did Nathan go? He just disappeared. Hey Ethan, when's the last time you went fly fishing for trout?
Actually, last July.
Last July. Now this hill is a little bit slippery, so we're gonna be careful. Got camera in one hand, fly rod in the other. Now this is actually Nathan's 3-weight rod and reel that he's actually gonna sell. And I'm just gonna take it out today, see if I like it, and then maybe perhaps in the future, you guys will see this as a part of my own arsenal. Just to give you guys a little bit of background, we drove 3 hours in total to this exact spot from our homes. We're letting Ethan take the first few casts at this pool, and literally the first cast, he already got bit by a brook trout. In my own experience, they are the type of fish who are just like known to be aggressive. If it's like a brown trout or something, they're gonna be a little bit more picky and harder to catch. With brook trout, it can really be a numbers day. And we're gonna be wet wading today, if you can't tell. All right, Ethan, pause your cast, crossing the river. I'd estimate this water temperature to be in the 60s, maybe even lower than that. Yeah, hey, good stuff, man.
I screwed up.
No, it's all right. He didn't like eat it. This is a good way to come up. Just be careful. Ooh, what is this? Some type of mushroom or fungus? That is interesting. Try not to die before we catch a fish. Okay, let's go ahead and take our first cast. What fly am I using again?
Yellow Sally.
Yellow Sally. All right, guys, watch out. Duck down, maybe. That'll be a good idea when I'm casting. Still getting a little used to this rod. Okay, here it is. Yep, I'm wondering if they'll eat it. If they don't eat this, I'm obviously gonna change to whatever they're biting. Currently leapfrogging up. That's what we fly fishermen do when we have too many people fishing the same stream. Oh, yep, it's pretty slick right here. Woo. Oh, hello, Nathan. It looks like he has a brook trout in his net.
All right, I moved past these guys, fish a little ahead of them, and this net pool up ahead, I hooked into a decent little brookie there.
Sick. 2 years ago was the first time I fished this spot. We only caught 2 fish that day, and 2 of those were mine. It was not the most active day of fishing. Oh, that was a bite. That was our second bite. Still haven't landed a fish though. Oh, there he was again. It's my fault. I think these fish are biting fine. It's just me with my like delayed kind of hook sets. My accuracy is not yet down with this rod. I'm quite doo-doo. Okay, that was a brook trout that just missed it. It's like they're blindfolded or something. There he is. There he is. Oh, dang, I lost him. Cool. First solid take right there. There he is. I caught the smallest fish. Let's go. All right, well, you're not really big camera worthy, but we'll wet our hands Guys, if you can see, that is why I call it the most. Yeah, we could do better. Yeah, so that guy was a little baby. What we're hoping is probably more the 8 to 9 inch range. That would be a really good fish right here. I mean, that guy was a 4 or 5, but we want bigger than him. Way bigger. Oh, Nate, you better get destroyed right there. I don't know if you guys are familiar with a plant called the stinging nettle, but both Ethan and I have been pricked, and it lives up to its name. It truly does sting you. My pinky is throbbing right now. That's always a fun time. Okay, that's my mistake then. Nathan told me to keep my rod tip high. That would probably help. Go around, they said. It will be easy, they said. Oh, that's a stinging nettle. Ow. Ooh, my feet just touched one. You, you hooked him in the butt. Ethan started getting a little agitated. I told him, Ethan, calm down. You catch fish when you're calm. Second, he stopped screaming. Boom, there's a fish. Ooh, we're entering big boulder territory. Oh, there was one. There he is. Oh, gorgeous colors, guys. I'm gonna pull out the big camera so you guys can see him better. Now with trout, it's very important to keep them unstressed. You wanna take good care of them. There's something so majestic about these brook trout. They just like, I can't describe it. They're so gentle and you want to treat them nicely. And it fascinates me how they can see food in like rushing water like this. It's a good sign though. They're biting pretty good. Let's get on a bigger one. 11:51. We have until 3 o'clock to fish this spot. There he is. Dude, I'm telling you, these like big boulder areas, absolutely insane. Probably the same size as the other one. It's doing pretty good. The Sally is slaying. That's how I like to say it. So far, how many fish do we have? Ethan has 1. Nathan has what? 2. I have 3. Get up, get up, get up. You good?
Yeah, you're sitting where I need to stand.
Okay. Nathan just ate it. Woo! Never wait alone, because if he had hit his head right there, who knows what would have happened. I know when you guys think of trout fishing, you kind of think of like maybe an inline spinner or trout dough, whatever that thing is called. But for me, I personally just like to fly fish for trout. I feel like it's a lot more fun. Like, sure, I can go ahead and take an inline spinner and cast it in here, but you know, it's almost just like pan fishing. We're going on an adventure, one that may result in a hospitalization. All right, Nate, hit these ones up here. Yes. What did I tell ya?
Oh yeah.
Woo! Oh yeah. It never gets old. See you, buddy. Okay, that guy was really small. I don't even know if I showed you guys what he looked like. Small. If you guys haven't noticed, I like to call the fish that I don't catch small or dumb. It's just an excuse to help me feel better. Dun 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 doo doo. Oh, doo doo doo. I fall, I look back, and Nathan's just laughing. I have superb balance, if you guys haven't already figured out. That's a, no. He's just a flying trout. Thank you, guys. Yeah, he's bleeding. No, no, he's a floater. Oh no, he's still going down. Look at him. Oh no, darn. Dang, I hate hurting fish like that. I thought he was ready. Yeah, it was my bad. Come on, buddy. You got this. Yeah, I probably popped his bladder. Well, we'll just let him go off. Yeah.
Yeah, wait. Lower your
Lower the rod. Oh, yeah. I saw him chase it in. That was so cool. I will let you go. Okay, slip through the net. That's easy. If I get bit right here, that'd be pretty sick. Fishing is going good so far, though. I think I'm leading with the most fish. Probably not with the biggest fish though.
Hey man, saw your Mexican video.
Hey, that's awesome. Hey, what's your name?
Hey, I'm Nick.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
Ryan.
to meet you too. There you go.
Thanks.
You're all from around here?
Yeah, we're from Richmond. So,
Cool.
I mean, I guess in a sense we are from here.
Southeast. That's not bad. Y'all putting this up on YouTube?
Yeah, it'll be up next Saturday.
Would you like?
Cool, thank you. One word to describe today.
Redemptive.
Successful.
Brutal. How many times did you fall, Nathan? Like twice?
Too many.
You literally just full on wiped out.
I just missed too many brookies.
Yeah, I did a pretty similar thing to Nathan. So our knees are hurting, our shins are bleeding. I guess this is the perfect way to wrap up this video. All together combined, we caught about 10 fish, probably? No, all together combined, we caught around 18 fish, maybe. Obviously, you guys won't be able to go through the video and count all those catches because I cut out a lot of stuff just to make the video short and to respect your watch time, of course. Well, on our way to 20K, what's fascinating is that my end of the year goal for 2021 was actually 10K, and we're on our way to double that goal, which is just crazy. Like I always say, if you watch till the end of this video, just comment road to 20K or something like that. I'm gonna help the guys get all the gear in the car. Feel bad for just letting them do it on their own. I'll see you in the next video, and as always, fish for the adventure.